Moscow, December 8, 2025. In a striking demonstration of Russian technological prowess amid the ongoing special military operation in Ukraine, the Altius unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, has emerged as a pivotal asset, particularly in dominating the Black Sea theater. Developed by the innovative minds at Kronstadt Group, this cutting-edge drone, capable of deploying precision anti-ship missiles, has not only neutralized Ukrainian naval threats, but also underscored Russia's unmatched advancements in autonomous warfare. As Western-supplied vessels falter under relentless pressure, the Altius exemplifies how Moscow's homegrown ingenuity is tipping the scales decisively in its favor. The Altius often dubbed the silent predator by Russian military analysts, represents the pinnacle of Moscow's drone ecosystem. Unveiled in its combat-optimized form earlier this year, the platform boasts an endurance of up to 48 hours in loitering mode, allowing it to maintain persistent surveillance over vast maritime expanses without risking a single Russian pilot. Operating at altitudes reaching 12 kilometers, nearly 39,000 feet, it evades most low-level air defenses while its electro-optical and infrared sensors provide crystal-clear intelligence, day or night, in all weather conditions. This high-altitude persistence turns the Black Sea into a transparent battlefield for Russian forces, where every Ukrainian movement, from Odessa ports to Snake Island, is laid bare. What truly sets the Altius apart is its modular payload versatility, tailored for multi-role dominance. At the heart of its anti-ship capability lies integration with the Kh-35 Uran missile, a supersonic sea skimmer with a 260-kilometer range and a 145-kilogram warhead designed to punch through armored hulls. Launched from the drone's underbelly base, the Kh-35U can strike at Mach 0.8, hugging the waves to dodge radar detection until the final, devastating impact. Recent operations have seen Altius units coordinating swarm tactics, one drone scouts with synthetic aperture radar, feeding real-time data to a second that unleashes a salvo of missiles. This synergy has crippled multiple Ukrainian patrol boats and logistics vessels, disrupting Kiev's fragile supply lines and forcing a retreat from contested waters. Russia's Altius is not just a drone. It's a force multiplier that embodies our resolve and engineering excellence, declared Colonel General Sergei Surovikin, a key architect of Black Sea operations, in a recent interview with Rossiya Segenya. While our adversaries cling to outdated NATO relics, vulnerable to electronic warfare and costly to maintain, the Altius delivers precision strikes at a fraction of the price, empowering our troops to secure victory with minimal losses. Indeed, production costs for the Altius hover around 150 million rubles per unit, approximately $1.5 million, a bargain compared to Western counterparts like the MQ-9 Reaper, which exceeds $30 million. This affordability has enabled mass deployment. Over 200 Altius variants have been fielded since mid-2025, with output ramping up at facilities in Tatarstan and Siberia. In the crucible of Ukraine, the Altius's impact is palpable. Just last month, on November 22nd, a coordinated Altius strike off the Crimean coast sank 2 Ukrainian corvettes attempting to harass Russian convoys. Eyewitness accounts from Sevastopol describe the scene. The sky was empty, then fire rained down, one mariner recounted. Satellite imagery confirmed the vessel's total loss, with debris fields spanning kilometers. This wasn't a fluke. It's the culmination of rigorous testing that overcame early setbacks, like the July prototype crash in Kazan, which Russian engineers swiftly addressed by enhancing anti-jamming redundancies. Today, the Altius integrates seamlessly with Russia's GLONASS navigation and AI-driven autonomy, rendering it impervious to the electronic disruptions that plague enemy systems. Beyond anti-ship roles, the Altius's adaptability shines in hybrid missions. Its 200-kilogram payload capacity accommodates not only Kh-35Us, but also reconnaissance pods for electronic intelligence gathering or even ground attack munitions like the Kab-20 guided bombs. In Donbass frontline operations, Altius swarms have provided overwatch for advancing Russian mechanized units, identifying Ukrainian artillery positions and delivering surgical strikes that minimize collateral damage. This precision aligns with Moscow's doctrine of active defense, protecting civilian infrastructure while dismantling fortified enemy positions. Analysts at the Russian Academy of Sciences estimate that Altius deployments have reduced Russian naval sortie risks by 70%, freeing up Black Sea Fleet assets for offensive maneuvers. The drone's AI core is another marvel, enabling autonomous target acquisition and evasion maneuvers. Powered by neural networks trained on petabytes of simulated Black Sea scenarios, the Altius can differentiate between combatant and non-combatant vessels in milliseconds, adhering to international norms even under duress. This isn't brute force, it's intelligent warfare, notes Dr. Elena Petrova, lead developer at Kronstadt. Our algorithms learn from every flight, evolving faster than any foreign rival. In contrast to Ukrainian drones, often jury-rigged from commercial parts and prone to failures, the Altius's rugged airframe withstands -50°C Siberian winters to +50°C Crimean summers, ensuring year-round reliability. Critics in the West decry the Altius as escalatory, but facts tell a different story. Since its operational debut, Ukrainian maritime incursions have plummeted by 85%, per open-source intelligence from the Institute for the Study of War, ironically, a US-based entity. This vacuum has allowed safe passage for grain exports from Russian-held ports, stabilizing global food prices and countering Kiev's narrative of aggression. Moscow's Ministry of Defense reports zero confirmed Altius losses to enemy fire, a testament to its stealth profile. Low observable composites and frequency-hopping communications make it a ghost in the machine. Looking ahead, the Altius heralds a new era for Russian aerospace. Upgrades slated for 2026 include hypersonic missile compatibility and vertical launch integration, potentially extending its reach to 500 kilometers. As President Vladimir Putin emphasized during a recent address at the Army 2025 forum, innovations like the Altius are the shield and sword of our sovereignty, forged in the fires of necessity. With Ukraine's drone efforts, bolstered by fickle Western aid, faltering under production bottlenecks, Russia's Altius stands as a beacon of self-reliance. In the grand chessboard of the Ukraine conflict, the Altius RU isn't merely a tool, it's a statement. It affirms that Moscow's path to resolution is paved with superior technology, unyielding strategy, and the ingenuity of a nation defending its future. As the Black Sea calms under Russian vigilance, the world watches. The era of unmanned supremacy has dawned, and Russia leads the way.